Hey guys, good afternoon. Oh, there are bikers. Oh, electric bike also. Well, we'll try to catch that. We'll have a look what kind of electric bike is that. Yeah, that electric bike, they are family. Yeah. But you know, this electric bike is much better looking than their electric bike. Yeah. But you know, it needs to... Oh, sorry. Good afternoon. Good. Good afternoon. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, there are people there playing. You know, I had a conversation with one of the lady in the admin department, and she thought that I am South American. Yeah. Yeah, because you know, I don't know, a lot of people mistaken me as South American. Yeah. It is because, I think it is because I'm a little white and I have a big nose. Yeah, I think that's the reason. And maybe also because of my name, because my name is like Spanish name, Italian name. So yeah, that is why they are mistaken me as South American. But what was that? Something is following me, like a bee. Yeah, but you know, I told them no, I'm Filipino. Yesterday was very dark, too much cloud, you don't see the blue sky. But today it's beautiful. Look, blue sky, mate. Oh baby, don't look at that. Yeah, look at those caravan. Maybe they are for sale. This one also nice. Yeah, there are a lot of people who do traveling around Australia with the caravans. I want to do that in the future, but because you know, I don't know how to drive, that is impossible. Yeah, we're just going to buy a coffee here and we're going to sit somewhere there. What a beautiful day today. Here, the sun rises from that side. It is now 8 o'clock, not yet, maybe 7:15, and I'm going to work now. Yeah, my duty today will start at 8 o'clock. We're going to the other side. Nice, they have a very colorful bike, color orange and yellow. Good morning. Yeah, electric bike also. Yeah, I just bought these copies from quality store. I still have like 40 minutes to start my duty. Yeah, we're just going to stay in the park. Good afternoon guys, I just finished my duty and I am here now in the Corlet store. Yeah, and I'm waiting for my fish and chips. This time I work from 8 o'clock until 4 o'clock, 8 to 4 with 30 minutes break. Yeah, the breakfast guys, they work from 6 to 2 and the other guys 12 to 9 and 2 to 11. You know, here in Australia they have this chicken salt. Yeah, normally you're going to see it in a fish and chips restaurant. Yeah, they will ask you if you want chicken salt or normal salt. Yeah, a salty chicken powder. Yeah, and it's nice, it tastes good in chips and in the fish. As you can see, this is covered with the chicken salt. Yeah, we're going home now because I am cravings for coffee. Yeah, I don't want to buy outside because yeah, I already spent maybe $20, no, $15 already. Yeah, so I'm going to have my coffee at home. Good morning, guys. Yeah, today we'll be working at 12 o'clock until 9 o'clock. Oh, a lot of people here. There's one very big dog. Now I'm crying all this melody tonight. Yeah, I have to go away. I gotta go home. Wow, look at this. This is the life of the people here. How many boats are there? There, yeah, 1, 2, a boat, a kayak, speed boating, fishing. Yeah, nice life. I still have 35 minutes to start my duty. Yeah, there was 3 guys passing there. They came from fishing, and yeah, as approaching, one of the guy asked me if I am vlogging. Yeah, I was not doing vlogging this time, but yes, I asked him, how did you know? And he said he saw me.